Boker Tov, good morning. We continue with that 3-minute daily dose of Torah, looking further at the Rav's teaching on Shlichut. The Rav notes the following, that when Even HaEzer or Choshen Mishpat, these are sections of the Shulchan Aruch, when they deal with the question of Shlichut, for example, which are based on an appointment, generally that appointment is for a confined period and circumstance. For example, I'm here to help carry out to marry a woman on someone's behalf, or to receive a get on someone's behalf. Those are situations where you're zacha v'kanan, somewhere or another. You have taken, you've played the role in it, and you've acquired it. Kana kedei lekayem et hakinyan, he says, right? So that's quoting the piece that you've acquired it in order to fulfill the necessary kinyan that's there, acquisition that needs to be made. So in those cases, firstly, the shliach knows exactly what he's here to do, and so the shlichut needs to be defined and set, directed on the part of the mishaleach, of the one who sends, and it's a tafkid for a specific. Generally, it's for a controlled amount of time. The Rav quotes a story about Rabbi Tarfon, who his mother broke her sandal on Shabbos, and she couldn't bring another shoe to wear on Shabbos. Rabbi Tarfon bent down and let her walk on his hands till she got home, and the Chachamim came and to his mother at some point, and she said, apparently she said to them, pray for Rabbi Tarfon, because he shows me over the top kavod, and the Chachamim responded in a way which kind of is unimpressed. You know what? If he does it 1,000 times, he hasn't really arrived at what the real kibbud is. So he seems to downplay what he did, and so the Rav, treats that a little bit, wants to understand what they're getting at. But the question is, like, okay, they kind of got scared that here he did something over the top, and maybe that means that his shlichus, Rabbi Tarfon, wasn't here to be a tremendous Talmid Chacham, but it was to honor his mom in a special way, and he's done it already. He's been over the top. So then you finish your shlichus, you finish your mission, and so your time to go. And so the Chachamim, as he reads it, didn't want to make it so that Rabbi Tarfon would be taken from this world because he did his job. And so he's got a lot more to do. He's got a lot more to do. And that's part of the question we ask ourselves as well. Our shlichus isn't this, is it for one specific period of time, and that's it? And then when we carry it out, then what are we here for? I only existed to accomplish this. Or do we recognize that we have a shlichut matmedet, as he describes it, an ongoing shlichus? And here you should be, I invite you to think about this for yourself. Is it one ongoing shlichus in area X or Y? Or to say of myself that I have a shlichus that's for me for this moment in time, and I've got new things to do tomorrow. And each day or each period, you ask yourself, now what am I here to do? I might have accomplished that, or I haven't accomplished that, I got to do more of it. Or you say, now what should I do in this world? And that's a refreshing, and not a depressing, but a refreshing opportunity to say, I'm here for many reasons. We should just note, I'm reading over time here, right? A malach is a one-off. God sends out an angel. He's got a specific mission. He can't alter it. He doesn't have free will, and he's here to do the task. And then enough. You're done. But humans, hopefully, are here for a long time, with many different versions of one mission or many different missions. So if we asked you yesterday to consider a little bit about your mission, think about it in this term. Maybe my mission is multifaceted, or maybe my mission from this period of time is different than the one from before, and different from the one to come. I hope it's been a fruitful week of exploring Shlichut, and we'll continue our studies in other ways in the days ahead. Be well. Have a good day.